Hi, I just received this LG room air conditioner. It's a 22,000 BTU unit with dual inverter technology, and it says that it consumes about $100 in electricity cost. But the fine print is it's like when it is used for 3 months and 8 hours a day. So this is how much energy it consumes. So it comes up with the smart Wi-Fi control, and then it works with Alexa and Google Home as well. So I just received it, and I'm gonna install this air conditioner tomorrow, I guess. Hopefully the weather is fine and I will be able to install this thing. So this one is let me show you around. This is 22,000. It can effectively cool 1,300 square feet. 22,000 BTU, 1,300 square feet. So if you are installing it in a window, so you will need this size window, minimum and maximum, and then you will also need a 240 volt outlet to install. So this is a United States model, and it requires 240 volts. So you should have this kind of outlet in your home, and if you don't, you might need to install one. Please consult a professional electrician for the installation of the electrical outlet. This is the other side. So I will post the review once I remove this box. Then I'll see you again.